welcome back to my channel. So today is a very quick video. Quick video. I got these things from Amazon. I kind of split the video in two because it's a part of a shipment, but it was a whole lot of stuff. So I decided to leave these behind. I thought it was kind of even, but it's not. But anyways, we move. Um, yeah. So, anyways, we press on. So I'm going to show you this empty box. Really being, it's an extension cord, right? It has different plugs. Comes with it also includes a USB-C port and regular USB. So reason why it's an empty box? Because I'm using it, of course. So remember those lights I purchased on Amazon and the tripod from Shein? So I said before, the lights have a USB end and I need a plug as well, extension for my tripod light. But I haven't been using the ring light that comes with tripod because these two lights is giving. It helps my, well, it look like it's alright now. Hopefully when I edit it still have that brightness. So it's a two little cheap light that I'm get for free per se. And a little tripod then from Shein. I use extension cord that has in the different ports. So yeah. So I'll put a photo in the frame of how it actually looks. And it's pretty small and it's very neat. It's a very neat little extension. So this is a mascara, right? I said before, it's a very quick video, probably less than 10 minutes. This is a mascara. So I tend to use the Rocket Blast from Maybelline, but I decided to try this Sky High. So probably I'll do a close up of how it looks. If there's any dramatic change, I'll probably do that, right? So you probably see a little video in the frame. This now, this has some, I think, are the cleaning stuff. Right, so this is the pink stuff, so it's a paste, right? So as you know, I've come to like these type of stuff, right? It get me excited. So I'll be using it in the bathroom, the bath, and just clean basically. When I clean the bath, I'm going to try it out. So I have one for the toilet, which is like a powder like thing, and this is the paste. So I'm going to use this with my little free thing get from Shein to scrub it so I don't have to, the girl have to bend the back, right? So I just, wait, I need to charge it too, you know. You put it for charge, come on clean. I'm gonna try the things then. So now, the reason I do this video, you know, because this is what I really want to unbox and show you guys and actually use it. It's time. So I usually buy a next brand fit index, but I realize like every 2 years I have to replace it. That doesn't make no sense. So I'm trying a different brand. This is the Renfo Ellis Smart Body Scale. So it come use it with the app and it claims the body composition and something there apart from your weight. So I like the fancy stuff then, which is why I come with battery too. It's nice, see? It come with battery as well. Get me 3 AAA battery and the user manual. So I had to throw the old fit index scale. So I just going to replace this now. Probably tomorrow after I finish cleaning. I'm going to replace this in the bathroom. Of course, I will not show it right now. I don't want you guys to like know my weight, right? As far as I'm concerned, I'm 170 pounds. So I will not be actually demonstrating this. It's just a regular. I put your foot them sun up, and the read will come on the app as well as right here. So the what is right here will be just regular weight, and then the app will give you a more detailed things. At the back, come as I said before, use 3 AAA battery, which they are so kind enough to send. So I'm going to just put it in from now. So yeah, so I already have the app downloaded on my phone. I just need to um so I just need to what do you call it? Pair it. Because one thing I like though, because of the material where you make with any little fingerprint and stuff, it smear easily. So that's one thing. But anyways, yes, so I will be demonstrating the mascara. I'm not going to let this video be long. It's, as you can see, it basically done. So I'll do the mascara thing to show you the difference if I see any. But I do know the Rocket Blast does wonders like instantly. And I have naturally long lashes, but you can see the difference. It looks like an avant false lash, right? So it's the first time I'm going to try this Sky High mascara by Maybelline. So let us see. So when I do this now, I did a one video shot. Oh, cutie. So I don't know if you've seen the difference, but it's on this eye. Um, this doesn't have any, right? So as I said before, I do have long lashes naturally, thanks be to God. But I think I see some sort of well definition. I think I see some sort of definition on this iPhone because I know I uploaded it, I applied it. I don't know, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. What do you think? What do you think? Hmm? Like very cute and nice. So all the links will be in the description box below, right? And follow me on all socials at petals_discovery on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, right? I think I'm more on TikTok and then Instagram and then Facebook. But yeah, you can still follow me on all of them. So, because I do upload different content on different platforms, right? So you can do follow me on all of them. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until we see each other again, I need to like edit these videos and upload them. So until we see each other again, please take care and bye. Take care.